Pat Walker here with Mission Winners. Time for the top stocks this week that you should have on your watch list. Look at the simple base right here on app 11. Big cup and a handle. It's simple. Doesn't need to be a cup and a handle, okay? By the way, if you wait for the cup and handle, you'll starve to death. You have to find a couple of other patterns to make money. Simple base right here, and it lifts off on volume. So what do we have now? Here's the chart, current chart, and it's just basing. It's going sideways. If it lifts across these tops here, right in this range here, that could be a potential buy on app 11. What would it be? Oh, I'll take that. Let's see the high on this bar. This is a great lesson too. 350.20. The high over here, 350.24. 350.30 could be a potential buy. But what does it need? It's going to need good volume and a good market. The M in Mission Winners comes first. What's the M stand for? The markets. So there's app 11. Simple base right here. That's what you look for. Let's move on here to another one. Amazon. Now this ran up, had a good run. Our first buys were down in here, okay, around 216, and it ran up. Sold some into strength. It's basing. Can we get a bounce here off the 21 EMA? Yes, it bounced here, right? Look, it came down to the 21 and bounced. Came down here and it bounced. So what do we want to see? This is a more aggressive entry, okay? And I share it with you just to help educate. A bounce off the moving average right here, the 21 EMA. This is the 200 simple, the 50-day simple, the 21 exponential, and the 8 exponential. These two are very important moving averages also. Bouncing here off the 21 EMA, potential buy on Amazon would be around 226.10. How did I get that? The high on that bar is 226.03. You don't need to add a dime, okay? Just round it up to the next nearest number. 226.10 with a good market and good volume on Amazon. Let's move on. Shake Shack, basing right here. What do we see on Shake Shack? Group rank 32, A- rated group. Composite ratings 97. Last quarter's earnings up 47%. Earnings estimates going forward up 119% this year, up 41% next year. Relative strength 93. All the things we look for, and it's just basing here on the 21-day moving average line. Take out the top of this bar right here, 133.70 with volume, okay? Now, this is important. Note what it did on Friday. Look at the volume pickup, and it closed in the top third of its range. And I'm going to show you something else, and it's pretty dang simple, folks. There you go. You don't need to be fancy, okay? Simplicity is a good thing. And again, years ago, I taught advanced statistics on a university level. We did all kinds of fancy stuff, and that's great. But simplicity is a good thing in the realm of investing. We don't get sloppy, okay? And another key point, never average down. Never. You're wrong. Do not make yourself more wrong, okay? Please focus on simplicity. It will really help you. Another gift for you, never argue with price. That will help you a lot. DOCS, right here. And it's forming what? It's forming a cup and a handle, and I drew it for you. Good volume on this bar, good volume on this bar. Pulls back. You can see, again, the cup with handle. Just take out the top of this bar right there. What would that be? The high on that bar is 59.14. 59.20 could be a buy on DOCS. Last quarter's earnings up 36%. Last quarter sales up 20%. Again, earnings per share rating 98, composite rating 99, B accumulation distribution. All the things we look for. Let's move on. What do you say? Here's Avgo, AVGO. Good group, group 42. Earnings per share rate 96, composite rating 99, B plus accumulation distribution. Now, this is extended in price. There was a breakout right here, so it's a little bit extended. It means it's riskier. How do you control risk? A, don't buy. B, buy less shares. That will really help you. Keep you in the game forever. And you can say, yeah, but Pat, I won't make as much money. And my response is because it's a little riskier, you won't lose as much money if it doesn't work. There you go. Take out the top of this bar right there, 247.30 on Avgo. 247.30 in a good market with good volume. That's what we're looking for.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.